As we get into September, October, November, and of course December, we're getting into gift-giving season. September is one of those months that tend to be heavily occupied by weddings and special events and things like that. So what I like to do on occasion is just show the his and hers versions of some pieces that I think may be attractive to people. In this case, I want to showcase the Patek Philippe Ellipse. Now, a lot of brands think they're too good to make quartz pieces. Patek does not think so, and they are not above that or below that. These are quartz pieces. I think they're phenomenal. They're going to run better than any mechanical piece that you can imagine. They're not, to the same. They're not entirely the same, but they're not entirely different at the same time. So I think this is kind of a great example of two pieces that you might get for his and her gift. This blue dial one is actually an 18 karat gold nugget, and they coated it in blue to give it that hue. And of course, this one is actually an ivory one. Now, they're both phenomenal watches. I think they're, from one of the most, maybe the most prestigious brand in the world. Great for gift giving season coming up. Check them out at SwissWatchExpo.com.